Hi guys, this is Ogbeni Ade teaching you Ede Yoruba. This is class 4. What we are going to learn today is Yoruba tone marks. Àmì ohùn. Àmì ohùn ló ń jẹ́ kí a lè máa pe ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́nà tí ó tọ́. Lédè Yorùbá, we pronounce word easily with tone marks. Àmì ohùn. We have 3 different types of àmì ohùn. The first one, àmì ohùn òkè. The second one, àmì ohùn àárín. The third one, àmì ohùn ìsàlẹ̀, which is pronounced as do, re, mi, like do, re, mi, re, mi, do. With these, you can read, write, and speak Yoruba language. For example, we have ojo, re, ojo, re, mi, ojo, do, mi. Listen to this class activity and underline the correct tone mark. Owó, aṣọ, bàtà,